Hello my YouTube family, I welcome you to today's tutorials. Please, I still go by the name Bra Bosco Jr. on Boss One Media Production. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Today's tutorials, we are going to learn how to disable two-factor authentication on Facebook. Why you don't have to use two-factor authentication on Facebook? If you lose that mobile number you used to turn it on to get code, you cannot get access. Without wasting much time, type in www.facebook.com.